it's raining like there's no end to tomorrow outside, so there's not much we can do there. Garden season is postponed. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this corner over here. Let me see if I can show you the mess we have in it. And I'm going to turn that into a second indoor studio for us. Something a little nicer where Tracy and I can sit and have a chat with you guys. So I'll get started on that. And matter of fact, let's just walk in here and look and see at the rain, so that you know I'm not just whining. This is what we're having to deal with right now. And it's supposed to rain for at least 5 more days. I'm depressed. I just want to get out in the garden and start doing that. But you can see we're not doing that anytime soon. So let's get started on this room. We're going to put shiplap on this wall, and we're going to put brick on this wall. It's going to give us a nice little studio area to sit and have a chat in what looks to be a comfortable area. Because I'm not going to actually put brick on the wall, I bought this vinyl wall covering. A little hard to see the shiplap design in it, but we'll get the lighting right. This just peels and sticks on the wall. So I'm going to start doing this wall now, and then I'll come back and do the brick on this wall. I'm sure all of y'all are familiar by now with my office. This is where I do a lot of my creative work at. And I film when things are nasty outside, or I don't have something to demonstrate, or I just want to go over a topic, kind of like a blog post. But I've added to the office today, and now I can step out here and walk right into here. We added the news section so that Tracy and I can sit and we can go over things, and we can do blog posts and just have a chit chat with our viewers. So let me show you how it looks from the other side. I'm back here, but it's not an optical illusion. And then I can get up from my old space here in my office and adjust this any way I want. I can now get up from that space, and I can move straight to the new office, which is our new studio right next to my old studio. Interesting. We worked on it today. Adjust this a little bit. We didn't sit in here and take the time to mortar out bricks and put them on this wall and do shiplap. It's actually a wallpaper we picked up at Home Depot, and it peels and sticks. It gives you a real nice, cost-effective studio space. So from here, we plan to add a lot of content. Just thought I'd share that with you today.